Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And this is the first video we're updating on 2022. And again, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. And I mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. And this is what we get. And as we can see, 45,500 is working as a support for us. All right. And as a long term, we have been looking for buy as a reversal. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 67,500. That's why since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy. But the best option, as I explained in my last analysis, I prefer to see the breakout of the 45,500. We see the breakout of this correction, then any reversal from where there we will take it. This is the best option I'm looking for. Because at that time, any reversal, any opportunity for buy can be a long term. All right. But it doesn't mean we have to wait for that option. Even if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal from here, we will take it. But we considering we trading within this correction. And as we can see at this point, we don't see any trade setup for buy because the way the market is moving is very slow. And even if we move to forward chart, if the price could break 500, then we can expect the price drop to 43 following by 13.9 before we see the reversal, right? But if the price reverse from here, we do the breakout of the 45,500, any trade within this range we consider as a short-term trade similar to any of this. And then at that time, so we need to see whether the price can break 52 following by 55K or not. Because if we refer to what analysis I mentioned, the breakout of this one to confirm we are with an uptrend is very important for us. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup for buy. And even we can consider this one as an internal flat as the first correction, and the third, since the price didn't break the previous low, we cannot refer to the indicators for the divergence. And the price almost take, all right, but we cannot really confirm with that. For me, I prefer to see the breakout of the previous low, at least the price tag 45,500. But anyway, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy as a short term. But as we can see, based on forward chart, we didn't have any trade setup. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, this one is quite, I mean, if he wants to look for buy, no, the question is, if he wants to look for trade, whether this one we consider in relative to this for the next drop, or as a short term, this is in relative to what we have here. That's why if the price drop and tag 45,500, any reversal from there will be better for us to look for but trade, right? By the way, at this point, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. We prefer to wait. And if anyone wants to look for buy, either we look for the reversal as a short move flag, or having entry above this is not a really good idea. That's why I prefer the price drop. We see the breakout of this, then either we look for the reversal as a short move flag, or we put our entry above this. Can be a good option if we get one more drop, at least price tag 45,500, because at that time, so we can see whether the price can break and continue or not. That's why from there, if we get the reversal, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.